Welcome to this screencast of Odoo version 18, where I will show you my implementation of the new native data model for payment mode as implemented in this pull request of OCA bank payment pull request 1401. So in this company, I have two bank journals, Banque Postale and Société Générale. Okay. And this is, here it is, payment modes. This is a new native object, account payment method line, which is used on partners and invoices in Odoo 18. So Odoo has generated all the combinations of payment method and bank journals. And with my implementation, by default, they are generated with link to bank account fixed, and this field selectable on partner invoices is disabled by default. So here what I want is on the inbound payment method, so on customer invoices, I want to have a fixed link to bank account to display the proper IBAN on the PDF invoice. But on the outbound, on the supplier side, I want a single payment method, SEPA credit transfer. I want to be able to decide from which bank account it will be debited at the last minute. Okay, so I will make this one selectable inbound also for Société Générale, but for the outbound I will leave them unselected and I will create a new one. So we'll call it SEPA credit transfer to suppliers. Okay, selectable on invoice. I want a link to bank account as variable. I want to have these two, the choice between my two banks. I could configure a default journal, but I can leave it empty to have the same behavior as in previous versions. Okay, let's try that. So I will create a new partner. I will call it screencast. Okay. I will set his IBAN. Oops. Okay. So this is a native field. This is a native many-to-one field that points to account payment method line. So I can choose between the two. Okay. Let's say this one. This is the native field again that points to account payment method line. I select SEPA credit transfer to suppliers. Okay. So if I create a customer invoice, okay, it has the payment mode, Banque Postale, okay, fine, well, nothing special here. But if I create a vendor bill, so he selects my first bank account, he has this SEPA credit transfer to supplier, so let me put okay, let me confirm this vendor bill, add to payment order. If I confirm this payment, say, okay, you need to say, now is the time to choose from, let's say, okay, I want to pay from Société Générale. Then I confirm the payments, I generate the payment file, I save the XML file successfully uploaded, okay. This is marked as in payment. Okay, fine. Imagine I have this new possibility to have a default. So I go back on the payment mode. Let's imagine that here I have, it's still variable with this link to my two bank accounts, but I want to have a default because most of the time I pay from Société Générale, for example, most of the time. So how it works? Let me have a new invoice. Okay. Okay, confirm. Add to payment order here. So by default, it has selected Société Générale, but I can change it. Okay, here it is. Now confirm. Generate payment file. Okay, file uploaded, and it's marked as in payment. Well, as you can see, you can have exactly the same behavior as with OCA bank payment version 17 and previous version with this pull request 1401. Thank you.